Oh my God. This just turned into a sweet pickle.
So this magical thing is supposed to be able to turn things from sour to sweet. Let's see if this is real. Let's try a regular lemon by itself. Oh, mother of God. Oh, that is so tart. Woo, I am awake now. Here's what these things look like. This is Nature's Wild Berry. Let's try. Kind of reminds me of like pomegranate. Now let's try lemon after I've had Nature's Berry. Oh, what? It's sweet. It almost tastes like an orange kind of. Whoa. Still got the seeds in there, but my God, that tastes sweet. The lemon actually tastes sweet. That lemon juice is actually sweet. Yo, that's crazy. What do you guys think I should try next with Nature's Wild Berry?